What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Nightbot welcome new people to your stream. So if someone comes in your stream and they say hi, hello, sup, how are you, anything like that, I'm going to show you how Nightbot can say something back like welcome to the stream, if you are new make sure to subscribe, or anything like that. Sorry if there's any background noise. And if this does help you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the notification bell. So basically what you want to do is just go to commands and then custom, and then just click add command. And then this is what they say. So they can say hi, they can say yo, hello, anything like that. And you can make multiple of these, so you can make like 5, and it could be like hey, hello, yo, anything like that. So I'm just gonna do hello, and then I don't know why this works. This is like the main part of it. You just want to type the money symbol, and then parentheses, user, more parentheses, and then you could do like a message like welcome. Let's do welcome to the channel, and you can do like welcome to the channel, and then that you don't have to do that at the beginning of it. So that's the main part of it right there, is the money sign and then the user thing. And if you just click submit, command name already exists, and as you can see right here, I already have it hello. So you can do anything you want and just do the money symbol, parentheses, user. That's the key to it. And I figured this out because it has oh yeah, I remember how I did this now. So you just go to add command, and then I just did command variables. And if you look right here, I'll zoom this in. It says user, and then it says name of the calling user. And what that basically means is, like if a person types something in, and you have the money symbol and then the user thing, like I just did. And so if it's like a exclamation mark Discord, and it has your Discord link, then you could put that, the money symbol, parentheses, user, and you could put that and then the Discord link. So it'll say whatever their name is, and then it'll have the Discord link. So if your chat runs pretty fast, if your chat runs pretty fast, you can pretty much ping their name so they'll see it, so they don't miss it. And yeah, that's basically how you get Nightbot to welcome new people to your stream. Thank you guys for watching, and if this helped out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.